Hey everyone, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Instagram without Facebook. Now, first thing you need to do is go to your profile, click on the three lines in the upper right corner, and go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, you must scroll down and click on Accounts Center. You can click on Profiles, and you can see the Instagram accounts I have connected in this one. So I'm going to show you how to sync your Instagram account to your Facebook looks like. So I'm going to cancel this one. When your Instagram account is synced to your Facebook, it should look like this photo, and you should have toggled at to unsync. After that, you can go to your profile and edit your name, and you can put a name anything you want. It's not the same on your Facebook account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.